guys, today I'm going to review this mini tiller. Okay, so this is the Kishan mini tiller. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm using this one in my farm. So you can also use this mini tiller to plow your field or farm. So if you are a farmer, this mini tiller will be very beneficial for you. Just you can check or you can purchase this one. Okay, so it's amazing mini tiller. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's move on to our video. So guys, now I'm going to show you all the functions of this mini tiller. Okay, so this is a Kishan brand mini tiller. So it's one of the amazing. So now I'm using this one. So now you can see here. So from here you can start, but you have to turn on this choke. Okay, so now you can see this one. Okay, so from here you can start. Just you have to pull this one and you can start this mini tiller. Okay, so from this one, so you can tight your handle. So this is the race. So using this one you can increase and decrease the race. So from this side you can increase race, and from this side you can decrease the race. And this is the switch. So using this one you can turn on and turn off this one, and this is the accelerator. Okay, and now you can see here in this side you can use the gasoline. So it is also amazing. So you can fill all the gasoline from this box. So now you can see this one is a petrol tank. Okay, so using this one you can fill the gasoline, and this is a stand. So from here now you can see you can fold it and you can unfold it also. So from here you can put the engine oil. Okay, so just bring the camera here, and from here you can put the engine oil for the gear. Okay, for your gearbox. From here you can change the gear in this side. Now you can see here, just bring the camera here. These are for reverse, and this 0 for neutral, and this 2 for the 2 number gear, and the 1 number is for the 1 number gear. Okay, so using this stand we can change the gear of this mini tiller. So it's very useful when you are changing the gear. Okay, so now I am starting my mini tiller. So it will start too much fast in one shot. Now you can see here it's starting right now, and you can use this mini tiller as a weed cutter also. So now I'm removing all the weeds. Okay, so it's giving me the amazing kind of feelings to cut all the weeds. Okay, so I can unfold the stand also. So I'm changing the gear in the reverse, and I'm taking this mini tiller again back side. Okay, so using the reverse gear you can bring back your mini tiller in your required place. Okay, so again I'm cutting all the unnecessary weeds. Okay, so you can use this mini tiller as a weed cutter also. So now you can see I am cutting all the weeds. Okay, again I am starting this one. Okay, so now I am starting to deep. So now you can see it's giving me amazing kind of feelings, right? Now you can see it have such a great performance, and you can also buy this tiller from your local store. Okay, so still if there is still the low oil, in that case also it will start. So it is amazing, and you can plow your field every corner using this mini tiller. So I am again taking back this mini tiller. You can see it is very lightweight. It have around 80 kg weight, but it have such a great performance. And you can also try this one. Okay, so just wait for a moment. So now you can see it's giving you amazing kind of feelings. Using this mini tiller, you can grow your farm and garden easily. So it's giving you the amazing kind of performance, and you can use without any hesitation in your garden or in your farm. This is one of the suitable and portable mini tiller for your garden. So you can also use this one if you are trying to become a gardener. So in that case, it is one of the useful and powerful mini tiller. Okay, so you can also use this mini tiller. So now you can see here it's giving you the amazing kind of performance. So now you can see I can dig very deeply also. You can dig very deep using this mini tiller, and you can increase and decrease the raise. Okay, so using the switch button, it have amazing kind of power and ability to dig your farm. So you can also use this mini tiller. It is also lightweight and portable. Now you can see here I can pull back this one using my hand also without using the reverse gear. Okay, so it's giving me the amazing kind of the portable feeling. Okay, so you can pull using your hand if you don't want to use the reverse gear. Sometimes it will take too much time to change the reverse gear, so that's why I'm using my own hand to the mini tiller. So it's amazing.
Hoping that you get few knowledge or few ideas about the mini tiller. Okay, so you can also check this one if you are also farmer or if you are a gardener. In that case, this mini tiller will be very beneficial for you. So I'm also using this one from 1 month. Okay, and it's giving me the amazing kinds of result. So you can also try this one. So I'll come back with another new video, hoping that you get few ideas from this video. If you get few ideas from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel, and share this video to among the people who are becoming a gardener or who are planning to purchase the mini tiller. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.